Welcome to Tiffany Hướng at home. So today I'm going to show you how to make 4 different fish sauce, and all Vietnamese dish you need them. It's noodle or right or any dish, very common Vietnamese family. So I'm going to show you 4. This is a request from my son, request me to do this 4 favorites, his favorite fish sauce, a dipping sauce. And also, so the first thing you need to do is find yourself a wonderful fish sauce, and this is the brand I use, but a lot of brand out there you can buy, but make sure you buy good fish sauce, and the saltiness is 40%, so it's not too salty. Okay, so this one we call nước mắm nhĩ, so the name is right here on the bottle, so make sure you buy the right one. Okay, then also of course in all this dish you need sugar, and also 1 can of coconut soda or Sprite, you can do that. And then of course lemon juice, lime juice, whatever work for you, whatever you have, as long as you have that sourness. Okay, and also make it spicy and smell good, and all that is you need garlic and chili peppers, and very good to use this kind. So I already chopped some here already, because that way I'm going to show you 4 different recipes. So let's do it. Okay, started. So what you need to do is, first thing you need the coconut soda or Sprite. I like coconut soda better. It doesn't have that you know, dirt. Is every sugar have different tastes, right? So either one is fine, but I prefer this. If you can't get this, you use soda, or if you don't have both, you can use just plain water, but make sure it's boiled and cool down water. Then you have to add more sugar into it. This type, if you do this way, you don't use that much sugar. So I have 1 can over there. You can do this ahead and leave it in the refrigerator and use it all the time. It keeps for a long time. Okay, so now you have that right there, and you're gonna put in here is fish sauce. Okay, so fish sauce, you're going to need 1/2 cup. So you get a cup like this. I did this all the times, and it come out amazing, wonderful. And you can have the same fish sauce for bánh bèo, bánh xèo, you know, any kind of Vietnamese cake, you know, so any Vietnamese dish have fries or barbecue, you can eat them. So I have 1/2 cup of fish sauce in here. Again, this is my own family recipe, so if you want more saltier, you can add more. Okay, but this technically this kind of fish sauce nước mắm, you can even drink it after you finish your bowl of noodles, or because it's not too salty. Okay, it's very balanced from salty, sweet, and also sour. So you get all that in there. It's like that. So I'm going to get a spoon. So we're going to mix it. Okay, so you're gonna mix both of them together. Okay, then now if you like a little sweet, you're going to put 1/2 cup to 1/4 to 1/2 cup, depend on your family. So my family, we only use 1/4, but some people like more sweet, because this in here, the coconut soda is already have sweet already, so you don't need to add that much. So I put in here 1/4, but again, you can add more if you like more sweet. Okay, so it depends on your taste, depend on your family, but my family, we put 1/4 because I don't use a lot of sugar. Okay, all right, so here we're gonna mix it. All right, so now to a sour part, you're going to need lime juice, lemon juice, but because I'm doing the show, so I already sweet in here already. So you just take your lime and sweet out, and then that's how you're gonna measure it. So I'm going to put in here 1/2 cup. So I have 1/2 cup of fish sauce, 1 can of coconut soda, and then the sugar between 1/4 to 1/2 cup, depend on how sweet you want. And then I put in here 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Okay, and also depend on the lemon, depend on the lime you're buying, how much liquid and how much sour. So it's again, it's be I use, right, this one I already test, so it's half a cup, but you can use from 1/4 to half a cup, okay? So you can do one twice, and then you can adjust how your family like it. But my family, the measurement is very simple, very simple. That's that. Okay, so I am done right there. Okay, so again, 1 can, half a cup fish sauce, okay, and 1/4 to 1/2 of sugar, and then also 1/4, 1/2 of lemon or lime. Okay, so I'm going to test it and see, is that sweet enough, sour enough, or salty enough? And because why I saying that? Because depend what kind of sugar you're using, depend what kind of fish sauce you're using, depend on what lemon you're using or lime you're using. So that's why I put 1/4 to 1/2. Let me taste. Perfect. So it's perfect balance. So right there, I don't need to add anything from sugar to salty or sour. So now only thing I'm doing, put garlic and chili peppers to make this sauce amazing. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of garlic or more, depend on you, depend on your family, how much you like. And if you do the way I do, all that garlic will flow on top. So it make really pretty, okay? All right, then now I'm gonna put chili, depend on your family. They can, you see how it flow up to the top? Then I just take a spoon and mix, and look at that fish sauce. Look at that, it's so beautiful. So here is your first fish sauce, and you will use this a lot of Vietnamese dish. This is wonderful. There you go. So you can have bún thịt nướng, bún chả giò, bánh xèo, anything you like right here. Okay, that's this #1 fish sauce you will use the most. Okay, all right, it's the next one, and this one, again, this is going to be very famous for everyday cơm tối, like with rice, normal meal for Vietnamese family is have, you know, dipping sauce. And then also this is wonderful sauce for you to use for, is a wonderful to use for the fish, put on top of the fried fish, and then with mango if you want. Okay, so first you need a little bowl, because you don't need that much. Okay, so right here's my measurement, and it's pretty simple, easy. So here's my sugar. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon. Again, you can make more, then you just multiply up. Okay, so I'm going to use just 1. Okay, so I'm going 1 here, then I'm going to 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Okay, and then now, because you're going to put this into the fish, then I need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, then I'm going to mix this up. Yum. So you can do it like that. There, okay, so you mix, you're gonna put on the side. So now you're going to put the garlic. Okay, I'm going to, because when you put on the fish sauce, you want a lot of garlic so it smells good, and also pepper, depend on your family, how spicy they want. The best trick I do is to be easy. Remember, I do this for my son, so make it easy for him to follow. So you can put garlic and pepper, and you just take a little powder or a little kitchen hammer. You're going to pop in the bag like this, so that way you don't make a mess. Okay, so, and also you don't want it too small. So you can use this for, like I say, crispy fish, and then you can dip it into any steamed pork or boil, you know, pork belly. You can do that, so it tastes wonderful. Okay, all right. So this is the best way to do that. So that way you have 1 piece, and also you don't make a mess. I'm gonna show you a different way. And then you're going to pour that. See how easy and clean. Okay, and you want that texture. okay? So not too much, but not too big, okay? So you can see here, so you have that sauce you can put. So I make this very, like one person to eat that. So that's all you need right there, okay? So this is a wonderful fish sauce to put on top of your fried fish or dip into your favorite meat, okay? Right there, okay? So let me taste it and see how's that. Yum. All right, so there you go, second one. So now I'm done the second fish sauce, dipping sauce. So let's do the third one. So the third one is wonderful to do a spring roll, like you're going to boil some pork belly, boil some shrimps and wonderful herbs and lettuce, okay, like gỏi cuống, and any type of, do you want steamed fish? This is wonderful fish sauce for it, okay? Because this will be too light, right? And this will be too thick, right? And then now I'm going to show you, this one is amazing. This one also is wonderful for you to dip with any type of wrap also, okay? So here we go. So I'm going to put in here, so I'm going to get into here is garlic, okay? And then I'm going to put in here 1 tablespoon of sugar, okay? There you go, okay? Then now I am going to use this. And of course, we have to have chili, right? And again, depend on how spicy of your family they want, okay? So you're going to match it down like this. The sugar is a trick, so that way it doesn't go all over the place and going to give you a hard time. I show you a different way. Can you do this with the Ziploc bag I do earlier? Yes, that's easier. For you, okay? So that way you don't have to wash the two bowl, right? So you put in here like this, and you match it up. So now you just match, perfect. All right, perfect right there, okay? So now you finish in here. Now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of water, just water, plain water, okay? And you're going to mix all that up, all that sugar and that garlic and chili, okay? And then now you're going to put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, all right? And then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, okay? So, well, we're gonna mix it up. There you go. So this sauce right here, you can dip with steamed vegetables, any steamed vegetable, any, you know, pork bellies, and also spring rolls, all that. So this is more lighter. Is same thing like this, but much more lighter. This consistent is much more lighter, and this one is much more thicker because it doesn't have that much, doesn't have sugar in it, it doesn't have water in it, okay? Now, so you have 3, so you have the one very light, see how watering there, and this is thicker for the fish or different dip. And okay, and this one is to dip the steamed lettuce or spring roll, okay? All right, so now the last one, okay, now the 4th one is the one who my son really want me to make the video for, is for the fried chicken wing or fried thigh or any fried chicken or any fried meat you want to make Vietnamese fish sauce taste. So this one, some people would say was fried chicken wing with fish sauce, Vietnamese fish sauce. This is it. This is my recipe at home. This is what I use. So if you want fried chicken wing, you fry the chicken and it's done. Then you can make the sauce, and then you're gonna put a little butter, and then you put all the chicken in, and then you're going to put this sauce on top and mix it up. Amazing. Okay, so here we go. So first what you need to do is this one is a little bit different. So you're going to make two. Again, what I do here, I do small amount. So if you want more, you just add it up. So 2 tablespoons of sugar, okay? And then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, okay? All right, so now you have that right there. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, okay? All right, so you're going to put, you don't need that much lemon juice. You only do just 1 tablespoon. So I'm missing a little bit, so I'm going to put in there, okay? All right, you can use this or you can use this. I love this. It's, you know, you don't have to sweet it out, but I have both, okay? So you're going to mix this up. All right, so have it here. 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it really well, okay? And then in here, I will put 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, mix well. Okay, very good. And make sure you taste it, and so that way you know how you like it before you mix more. Perfect. Because I did this for my family, so your family might be taste different. Okay, but my son copied exactly like this, okay? So now you're going to put our favorite, and again, depend on how spicy you like, your own sriracha. So you can put it in there so it make it very spicy you like. So I mix it up. Yeah, yum. Okay, and then I got my chopped garlic. I'm going to pour in here. So make my chicken wing or any fry, you know, any meat I like. So there you go, and you imagine this dip into that crispy chicken wing. Oh, so delicious. There you go. So you have more sweet and more salty than sour. So, okay, so there you go, number 4. So now what you learned today is the fish sauce. You go with any dish, any noodle, any dipping Vietnamese dish, and then you will have the second one is the one you can pour into your crispy fish, and then the third one, this is for dipping, you know, spring roll or any type of dipping steamed vegetable, or you can put this at any meal in your family dinner, okay? And then now you're going to have this one. You can pour into any dish you're gonna make, and you want that Vietnamese fish sauce dish. So this is wonderful for chicken wings or any fries dish. So there you go, all my dipping sauce from fish sauce. So good luck, have fun, enjoy it, and make a lot of Vietnamese meal for your family. So good luck, guys. Please subscribe, comment, and also like and share for me. Thank you so much. Looking forward to you guys. See you next video.